So we just left Stoddard Creek Campground in Du Bois, Idaho. We're heading south on 15. It's been raining all night. We did most of the packing up last night, got everything in the camper, and then just had to do the final close down this morning. So that's where we're headed, Pindale, in the rain. We're trying to find a site on a Forest Service campground, first come, first serve. And maybe this rain will deter people from coming out today and taking the first come, first serve before we get there. We're in Swan Valley right now, following the Snake River. Things are getting greener. Just a little stop here at a boat launch on the Snake River. So as we're heading up into the Tetons, we're just skirting the edges of it right now. But on a day like today, it's pretty difficult to see what we're hoping to see. Well, we just got to Fremont Lake and found an unoccupied site number 18. So Fremont Lake is right off over here. Most of the sites that are right down on the lake are reservable, and they're reserved for the foreseeable future. There's been a bear hanging around here, so you got to make sure you keep your food put away. Yeah, I don't get too worried about black bears. We're going to stay here for a couple days and see how it goes, see how busy it gets. And like I said before, we're coming into the Labor Day weekend, so things are going to fill up. Well, we got everything set up just in time for the rain. So we're just kind of hunkered down under our canopy, hoping that it'll stop raining. This is a beautiful area, but we can't see it. Most of the drive was covered in clouds and fog and rain, and so we haven't seen really what anything looks like around here. The lake looks nice. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Well, so far this campground's been pretty quiet. Not too many people here. There's not a lot of sites down here on the lake front, and what ones are here are spaced out pretty good. A lot of vegetation in between each campsite. They got pit toilets, which are relatively clean. The one right next to us, though, has some looks like barnyard burrito spray in it. We do have some wildfires in this direction, which is to the north. Not too far. But with all the rain we had yesterday, I'm sure they're not too much of a threat. Well, it's raining again. We are going to move this undercover. Those are some, ooh, a Dublin yoker. trip out west wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Mountain Man Museum in Pindale, Wyoming. It was an awesome visit. They got lots of cool stuff in there. Well, I said it wasn't going to rain again. Here it comes. Wind's picking up, it's starting to rain. I thought it was over. Well, that's it. We're leaving Fremont Lake. It's about 6:30 in the morning. The sun is just coming up over the mountains. Fremont Lake Campground was pretty nice. The road leading into the campground was good for the most part, but there were some massive potholes. So if you're carrying a big camper, that's could be an issue. The pit toilets were not super clean, not as clean as some of the other places we've been to, but it's a pretty nice place. Would I come back again? Nah, maybe not.